next we are starting here the superclass Pisces, and the class under the superclass Pisces is Chondrichthyes. So let me start with the class Chondrichthyes. These Chondrichthyes class organisms are also known as the cartilaginous fishes. Means the fish that have the cartilage endoskeleton, means the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. We can say endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Next character is the mouth is ventral, and the mouth consists of the teeth, and these teeth are modified placoid scales. Due to the presence of the modified placoid scales as a teeth, the mouth consists of jaw, very powerful. That jaw is very, very powerful. Next we can say that the gills are separated. And operculum is absent here. Means gills. Next is they are marine and have streamlined body. The notochord persistent throughout life, and their skin has a toughness, and that toughness is due to the presence of placoid scales. The skin is covered by tough covering of placoid scales. And one of the important feature of the chondrichthyes are that the air bladder is absent here. Air bladder is absent, and due to the absence of this air bladder, they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. They have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. This is one of the most important feature of the chondrichthyes. Now the next feature is heart is two-chambered. Heart is two-chambered, means having one auricle and one ventricle in it. There is the two-chambered heart. Next feature is some have the electric organ. For example, the fish torpedo. This fish torpedo have the electric organ in them, and they help in the defense mechanism. Some possess sting. Poison sting. For example, the fish trigon, which is also known as the stingray, and this electric organ containing fish is known as the electric ray fish. Next is they are cold-blooded, or we can say them poikilothermus. Cold-blooded and the poikilothermus. Cold-blooded means they cannot maintain their body temperature. They cannot maintain their body temperature. Next feature is in males, pelvic fins bear claspers. That is the copulatory organ. Next is the fertilization is internal. And some of the chondrichthyes are they lay the egg, as well as some of them are viviparous. Some of them are viviparous. Now, what are the different examples of the chondrichthyes class? First is the scoliodon, that is also named as dogfish. Next is the pristis, which is known as hagfish. Next is the carcharodon. This is carcharodon, which is named as great white shark. So these are the different features of the group chondrichthyes as well as its example.